Here I have JAECOO IFN. In this example, let me show you how to keep your radio station from losing signal. So let me show you how to enable or disable the alternative frequency. So at the very beginning, let me start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the media button. Afterwards, let's tap here the radio. And from the radio, you've got access to this settings button at the bottom right corner. As you can see here you can enable or disable the AF. AF stands from alternative frequency. So when this toggle is turned on, the car's radio system monitors the signal strength of your current FM station. If you are driving on a long road trip and the station's frequency begins to fade, the radio will automatically scan and seamlessly switch to a stronger, identical broadcast frequency from a closer local transmitter tower without you needing to manually find the station again. So it's quite useful, you don't need to do anything. It will automatically switch on to a stronger, better signal. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.